overall experience, to be honest, first, I would like to thank ERP Buddies for the opportunity for me to come over here. It's my first time in India, and to be honest, I really enjoyed the time. Coming to this expo really just gave me a lot of experience mingling with people, and I've learned that Indian culture was really nice. Food was really great, so it was really an eye opener for me. For today, we met with the biggest conglomerates, biggest corporations, and meeting with them, it really gives insight to what they need in their businesses. So their concerns or their comments with their current systems, we were able to take note of that, and we will definitely help them in the future.